You say, what's up, YouTube? Say, what's up, YouTube?
What's up, Skiki Scrub?
You're so silly. You say, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some pumpkin cookies. You gonna make them?
Yeah. I didn't want to eat it.
You gonna eat it?
Yeah.
Show them. Put it up. Show them the cookies.
What's up, Skiki Scrub?
Go ahead. There you go. Look, you're gonna turn to the stove. You're gonna turn the stove on to what these things say.
It's too hot.
350. Don't touch. All right, come on, hop down. Come on, get on. Let's turn the stove light on. Okay, you can move your chair out the way. Sit down. Come on. Or actually, you can use it. Stay there. Stay there. Here. Spray it. Spray that.
I can't spray it.
Okay. Let me help you.
Can you do it?
There you go.
I did it.
Good job. Okay, but first you gotta come wash your hands.
Okay.
Okay, so move your stool over here so you can wash your hands. You gotta bring it over here.
Yummy.
Good job. So now you gotta open the box. Okay, and then mommy open the box. You ready to put those cookies on here? Dry your hands. Alright, you ready?
What? Yes.
There we go. Now we ready. You ready?
Yes.
Alright.
Cookies. Cute.
Alright, now you're gonna take them off. And then put them in. Oh.
I'm taking it.
No, you're supposed to bake them first. Here. You gotta spread them out. See, look, do it like this. Give me some space. Spread them out. There you go. Put that one like over there.
Uh-oh. Sorry. My cookies.
What's that in there?
Green.
What's that? Yeah.
Pumpkin. I guess I need to make a pumpkin. Is this coming? Uh-oh.
Spread them out a little bit. What's the first thing on there?
I just got this one.
Now we're gonna put them in the stick.
Yes, Mommy.
And now we wait for the cookies to be done.
Okay. Yes.
So the boy couldn't wait for the cookies to be done. He said, chop, chop.
Chop, chop.
Chop, chop.
How do I eat
Wait,
it?
now they're cooled off. Wait a minute. Okay, go ahead and try it. Is it good?
Yeah.
Let me try one too. It's good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time. So bye-bye.
Bye.